Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in YouTube. Hope you will like it. And please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon key next to it. So without wasting our time, let's move on to the topic. Today I am going to show the unboxing of the soldering iron kit. I have bought this from Flipkart. If you wanna buy, then I am giving the description of this item in the description box and also the link in the description box. You can buy it from there. So we need a cutter for it and we will start our unboxing now. So this is the content. The name of this product is Hillgrove. Let's open it. Whoa, so this is the main rod, I think. Yes. So it is the soldering iron, the main thing. See this one. This one we have to plug in the board, and this point will become hot. And by using this one aluminium wire, we will weld it up. I will make a video. And in my next video you can see how to use this. So this is the second one we are getting here. This is a cutter. It's used to cut the wires. Let's keep it aside. This is the stand of the rod. This is the stand. We will put this like this. Okay, let's keep it aside. Coming to the next, it is a little bit dirty. So this is the soldering flux, like wax. This used in circuit boards or other to make it to make the solder stronger and durable. So it is not necessary for now. It is the main part, which is the wire, aluminium wire. It is so it is being heated, and by using this one it's melted and we use this one to save and solder in circuits or other parts. So these are the things that we are getting in this box. So this is the soldering iron rod, this aluminium wire, this is cutter, this flux, and this stand. So in this way I am ending my video. Hope you will share it, like it, and comment it. Thank you. I will show the use of this in my next video. So till goodbye, stay safe, stay happy.